we could do fish shots. Oh wait. Oops.
I'm gonna put it in bloopers.
Psst. React.
Let me fix my hair. My hair. My leggings could be seen.
Something. I need something. Okay, ready? We have to start together, remember?
1, 2, oh. Short, cuts off my head.
Just like.
Let's go, let's go. Gotta turn on the HD. Yep,
It's
on.
1080p. Does it go higher than that?
Nope. Oh, on our TV we found it, what was it, 3K?
I don't know. I don't know what it was.
The YouTube. We were watching Blackpink concert and there'd be like a 3K HD. Like, it was like concert level.
But guess
HD.
what? Our Wi-Fi sucks.
Oh yeah. Okay, our A-Pink concert was like, woo woo, A-Pink. I mean, Blackpink.
A-Pink.
Woo woo, A-Pink. I mean, Blackpink.
A-Pink.
Oh my god. And then Blackpink. My bad. Don't kill me. I know that was bad. But
Oh jeez. Okay.
so basically we were trying to watch the Blackpink concert, and then like our internet was just not having it.
It was
like
so
3K HD, and it's like
literally our
What's
TV
happening?
could only play on like, what was it, 480 or something like that?
I think it's
the 400 one.
Yeah,
And then we
407.
increased it to 700 and it wouldn't load. And then when it finally loaded, we decided to do 1080. And then we went to 1080 and then realized there was a higher one. And none of that would load. It was so sad.
It was depressing.
Where's my phone?
You're gonna make yourself ghostly again?
Yeah.
That's
to be
never
right here.
where you're supposed to put
Needs
your
to be
light.
right here.
You look ghostly. Should I zoom out more?
Beautiful.
Ew.